Summit Medical is a group that I've known of for quite some time and admired from afar due to its reputation as being an excellent and premier multi-specialty group. When the opportunity came about where Summit was looking to expand into this area of North Jersey, it was an opportunity that I could not pass on.
What drew me to Summit is that I was at a transition in my career, so I was finishing up residency training in internal medicine, and that was heavily inpatient medicine. So I had a lot of access and immediate access to things. Here at Summit, we have, stat labs, we have imaging on site, we have every medical and surgical subspecialty and specialty. So I felt very comfortable still practicing in a different setting, but with the same resources.
I came from an academic center. I worked for Harvard Med School for 6 years prior to coming here. When I first visited Summit Medical Group, I really felt drawn based on the fact that it was this good harmony of all the things I loved about academics, but the freedom of private practice.
And it makes a difference. Like, I'm primary care, so I can relate to an internist, when they're having a bad day and they feel overwhelmed. And I've been there, I've done it, I still do it. And that goes across the organization.
As a physician at Summit Medical Group, you have the opportunity to become a shareholder, and that allows the ability to vote for the clinical governance board and the medical leadership, which are our physicians. It also allows for some enhanced pay, and it allows the ability to buy into the company. And I think that is a unique feature to a practice of this size.
I think Summit has done a great job in the onboarding process to make it easy for us in terms of getting acclimated, learning the system, and also they've given us all the support we've needed to build our practice from day one.
It's actually really very easy to build a practice under the Summit umbrella, which is really great, especially if you're new like I was to the area or starting out right out of training, because we have so many referring physicians. You really have the ability to create whatever you're looking for, and the support system makes it easy to grow that.
What I've enjoyed at Summit Medical Group is that I've always felt that the physicians, myself as a provider, we had a voice in the direction of our practices. There's no idea that isn't listened to, and it's just a very collaborative environment that I think lends itself to a robust practice that's rewarding for both the physicians and the patients that they serve.
The merger with CityMD, which took place in August of 2019, gives us the ability to expand our business into new areas. I think for a new physician, it's important to know that the business has longevity, and I think a new physician wants to know, this is where I'm going to be. I'm going to plant roots, and the merger gives us that ability to expand and grow this business and make it viable for the long term.
Nothing has shown our resilience more than the 2020 pandemic, that's for sure.
They supported us tremendously through the coronavirus pandemic. There was always a sense of job security. There was always someone checking in, seeing if we needed anything, any strategies that we could do to better improve how we were taking care of our patients and making sure that we were also taking care of ourselves and keeping our families safe.
So if you come to work at Summit Medical Group, you will thrive. You will find an environment that is welcoming and accepting and curious about yourself and your practice. You become a valued member of the team, and we will set you up for success.
If you're a physician looking to work with a team of other doctors and provide a multidisciplinary approach to patient care, where you have a single-minded approach to treating patients and providing their best outcomes, this is the place for you.
You have the ability to do so many different things if you're here, and the interaction with other physicians and with staff, it really is positive, and it makes every day seem not quite as much like work and more just like doing something that you really are passionate about and love doing.